In recent weeks, there have been significant developments in the ongoing conflict in Yemen, particularly concerning the actions of the Houthi rebels and the involvement of the United States in negotiations. Since the outbreak of Israel's war in Gaza last October, the Houthi rebels, backed by Iran, have intensified attacks on international shipping in the Red Sea off the coast of Yemen. These attacks were purportedly carried out in solidarity with Palestinians and their ally Hamas. The United States, in response to these attacks, has taken both military action and diplomatic steps to address the situation. According to Yemeni political sources, mediators have conveyed messages from the US to the Houthi rebels, offering incentives such as lifting the blockade of key ports and accelerating peace talks in exchange for halting their attacks in the Red Sea. These messages, delivered through envoys and mediators, including Western officials and with the involvement of Oman, aim to de-escalate tensions and pave the way for a peaceful resolution to the conflict. However, the response from the Houthi rebels to these incentives remains undisclosed. The United States has also engaged in indirect talks with Iran, seeking its cooperation in de-escalating the situation in Yemen. During secret talks held in Oman 3 months ago, the US urged Iran to help ease tensions on the Yemeni front. However, the Iranian delegation reportedly indicated that the decision ultimately rested with the Houthi rebels. Meanwhile, US Special Envoy to Yemen, Tim Lindeking, has expressed the US desire to shift focus towards de-escalation and peace in Yemen, moving away from military confrontations in the Red Sea. These developments signal a complex diplomatic effort to address the conflict in Yemen and mitigate its humanitarian impact. As negotiations continue, the international community watches closely, hoping for progress towards lasting peace and stability in the Yemen.